Alright, so it's a continuation from the previous video. Let's run the app and see what we have. So here is our text field. Here is our text field. You can type it, does that. If you delete, continue typing. Alright, so let's move on. So what do we have next? So let's add our list of suggestions. Let's add list of suggestions. Oh, it's here already. Okay, what next? What do we have here? All right. Okay, so after we've created a lazy column, we have item, then we have mapping through the messages, and we are outputting them into a chart item. So the chart item we're just going to take in the chart item is just going to take a message parameter. So msg equals to msg. So let's create this composable down here. Alright, so okay, composable, we have a function called that parameter msg to be that, and we're going to have a row. So the row will have a modifier fill marks width, and we're going to supply a background. So the background color will be transparent, and color dot transparent, color dot transparent. So now that we have that, we're going to have an icon. So okay, so this icon is going to have icons dot default dot person. So and the content description to be that. We are also going to have a modifier. So modifier will be height of 30, the height of 30.dp, and a width of also 30.dp, and we're going to clip it into circle shape, not composable, circle shape, and we apply a border of 2.dp and a color dot green. I said gray, it's okay, any color will fit, and it's of course circle shape. Okay, apply some padding to it at the start 4 and 4, top 4 and bottom 4. That is just the same as passing forward dp dot fill maxed height. Okay, the next is card. So we're going to have a card. So the card will have a modifier dot padding So the padding is 10, 10, 10. So top to be 10 dot dp, and to be 10 dot dp, and bottom to be 10 dot dp, and of course let's make it a circle. Let's click and it will be circle shape. So inside we'll just have a text. It's just going to have a text, and the text will be msg dot message. So that, and we're going to have also modifier dot padding of 10 dot dp. So I think we're done with the app, so let's test it. But before we test it, I'm seeing a mess. I'm seeing an error here. So in order to solve this, we are going to access the index of the current iteration of the list and get the value of that current iteration, which should be the conversation message. Alright, the app is done. Let's try and run it to see what do we get. So let's run it and see what we have. Okay, so build finish, no errors. There we go. So we have our charts. Can it predict anything? Let's say hi. All right, I'm good, I'm great. Let's okay, that's nice. It's performing, but of course if you perform a reload here, you just see the messages coming. So I didn't implement that. I'm still figuring out how to do that. Stuck. So if you guys have an idea of how I can refresh this page, please drop it in the comment section below, and we're done. So I think what we can just do is fix this error where we having these messages on when they should be on one side. So let's fix that error before we move to the next. So let's go to our suggestion list and we cross check it. So what do we have? We have a modifier, and we should also have an horizontal arrangement of end, not space between. So that should solve the issue. Let's reload and see what we got. Okay, playing changes, nice. So we have that, so but they are squeezed to each other. What do we have? Can we apply a padding to it of some dps? Yeah, sure. So of start, yeah, so let's make it for dp and end for .dp if it works. If it doesn't work, please try working around with it to see. Let's see if we solved it. Let's see if we solve it. Let's say hi and send. Okay, what's up? hello, and perform a small reload. We see what's going on. Alright, so guys, this is what you may actually add into your project on Compose. If you really like it, please subscribe, share, and comment on what you want me to do next. Otherwise, thank you. See you till then.